Bonjour à tous, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson we are going to take one of the most important foundation topic, that is basic sentence structure. If you are going to understand this topic clearly, you can make the sentences confidently from day one. So let us begin. Let us understand this formula with the help of example. Subject, verb and object. Je mange une pomme. What it means? I eat an apple. Now understand what is the sentence structure here. Je, this is subject, right? This one. Mange, mange, this is verb. Mange means to eat. Then une pomme, this is object. Now this is very clear that subject, verb, then object. It makes a full sentence, meaningful sentence. Now let us take other examples to understand basic sentence structure. To make sentences more richer, let us add place and time, means where and when. So to understand it, let us take an example. Je travaille, I work. Where I work, I am telling place. So most of the time it comes after the verb. This is verb, right? So let us say je travaille à Patiala. So what I am adding? I am adding place. What I am telling? Where. So again the sentence structure. What is the sentence structure? Subject, verb, then adding place. Similarly, another example. Nous étudions. We study à la maison. What is maison? Home. Again I am telling place. Where I am studying? At my home. So I am telling here place. So you can see in both of the sentences, place it comes at the end of the sentence or after verb. This is a verb, right? So after verb. In the sentences, usually place comes after verb. Is it very easy to say where, right, in sentences? We have already learned about how to add place in a sentence. Now let us add time. Aujourd'hui, je cuisine. Today, I cook. Aujourd'hui, this is time. Je cuisine demain. Demain means tomorrow. Demain is time. Now let us add place and time in the same sentence. Let us make one sentence where we are adding place and time. Je mange une pomme, right? À la maison, telling about place. À la maison. Now I am telling time. Le matin. Now this is a complete structure. Let us look at the structure. Subject, mange, it is a verb. In pomme, this is an object. Then à la maison, this is a place. Then le matin, this is time. Now what we interpret from this sentence, that what is the order of subject, verb, object, place and time in a sentence. So from here, which formula we can generate here? Subject, verb, object, place plus time. Now let us continue it with the negative sentences. How to make sentence in negation. So French sentence structure, negative sentence structure, it wraps around verb. Ne, verb, pas. So we will understand here subject, ne, verb, pas plus object. Let us understand with the help of example. Je, right, subject. Ne, then verb, mange. Pas, then object, une, pomme. Isn't it very easy? In positive sentences, what we have done, je mange une pomme. So where is the verb? This is a verb. So if you see negation, it comes before and after the verb. This is a verb. So ne comes before verb. This ne. And pas, it comes after verb. So the sentence structure, it becomes je ne mange pas une pomme. Let us take another example to understand it. For example, if I say he speaks English. Il parle anglais. He speaks English. This is positive sentence. Very simple. Put ne and pas before and after verb. So ne will come here and pa will come here. So what is this? This is verb. What is the meaning of this verb? Parle means to speak. He does not speak English. This is the meaning. And the meaning of this sentence is I do not eat an apple. So let us take one more example. Nous regardons la télé. Nous means we. Okay. La télé. This is positive sentence. Now we know this is a verb. So how to make it negative? Put ne here and add pa here. So very simple. Ne, right, is nous is subject, then ne, then this verb regardons, then pas plus object la télé. Nous ne regardons pas télé. We do not watch television. So I think it is very easy, and this is the sentence structure when we make negative sentences. Let us understand sentence structure, how to make questions. And friends, there are 3 different ways how to make a question. One is just raising your voice. For example, you say tu parles français. Tu parles français. So it becomes a question. So this is the first method. Here I have written very simple sentence. Tu parles français. You speak French. So what is the meaning? You speak French. So in French language, we have first method, that is intonation. Intonation means raise your voice so that the sentence becomes a question. Just we need to put question mark here. Nothing to do, right, when we are writing it. Then this is the first method. Then the second one is ask. Ask means we are adding word, question word. Ask is question word. This is a simple sentence. Tu parles français. Before this sentence, we will add ask. When we will add ask and in the end question mark. So it will become question. So what we are asking, do you speak French? Here also we are asking, do you speak French? Tu parles français. You understand? What is the difference if I am saying 2 sentences? One is tu parles français. You are telling me that you speak French. If I am changing my voice, Tu parles français? This means I'm asking a question. So this is the first method. I think it's very clear. Now come to inversion. This is a very formal method, right? And always remember that in French grammar, most of the time in written, we are using either inversion or we are using esque word. This is a question word. Inversion itself means that to invert something. Now what to invert in a sentence? Again taking the same sentence, tu parles français. Now to understand it, tu parles français. Okay. So this is a simple positive sentence. Let us make it question with the help of inversion. Invert the verb. Now where is verb in this sentence? This is a verb. Now we need to invert this verb. So what we will say? Parle tu français. So what we have done? We have changed place of verb. We have taken verb here, right? Before tu. So parle, it will come at first place, then join with the help of hyphen, then pronoun. Pronoun will come here. So let us understand it one more time. Sentence was like this, tu parles. Okay. So what we have done, this is a verb, this is subject. We have inverted it. This is inversion, right? We have written verb at the first place, parle, then subject at second place and join with the help of hyphen. So this is a very formal way of asking a question, and in the last we have added question mark. Don't forget to put question mark at the end of the sentence. It's time to practice what we have learned today. Firstly, we will convert sentences into French. Just if we have understood sentence structure. I eat an apple. What to say in French? Write down on your notebook or write in the comment box. She works in Paris. How to write in French? Then make question. Use all the three methods that we have done. Intonation, what was the second? Using esque, and the third one is inversion method. So convert it into question. You speak French. Now I am going to tell you your answers with me. Pause this video at this moment so that you can write down the answers, then tally all your answers, right? That's all for today's lesson. Today you have learned basic sentence structure, and if you can write down in the comment, I can make sentences now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the next upcoming video. Merci.